Claude Code in VS Studio, and this is one of the best shortcuts that I've ever used. So basically, whenever you're editing something or whenever you're coding, so it usually pop up with some permissions to ask for I require permission to allow me to access to the certain files. So something like this, but it is not this, okay? So in order to bypass that, so that is something that you guys can do that is at the right hand side over here in the VS Studio for the Claude. So you click here, that is few permissions going to ask you. So most likely or not, you are going to pick this that is of called ask before edits. So meaning whenever Claude is trying to edit your file, they are going to ask for your permission, whether they have the certain access to the certain folder or certain path. That's where if you want to bypass that, you can actually click auto mode where Claude will automatically choose the best permission modes for each task. So basically whenever you pick this, you kind of like you don't have to keep on clicking the allow the certain folder or certain path. So of course you may want to also exclude certain like you want to give a Claude certain restriction that they shouldn't access any other paths or any other folders other than what you have allowed. So what you can do is that you can prompt them accordingly. So that's why I think that using this is a game changer because otherwise when I'm doing something it's very distracting. When I'm doing something else, the permission keep popping up and I keep on having to respond to that. So that's where if you want to have this automatically pick for you, you can pick this. So write an email for amazing June, for example. So it will then the cloud will automatically pick whichever makes sense based on their memory, and then they will just write that instead of asking me whether I'm going to write for an email, writing for the Facebook, or writing for LinkedIn. So I hope that this auto would help you guys a lot. So if let's say you have not used like VS Code, so it is very simple. So I'm just going to show you how to use that. So all you need to do is just to Google VS Code and you're going to get this VS Visual Studio Code, and it's an open source which is free as well. Just download for Windows, and then later on you want to go over to this VS Code and connect with your Claude. So connecting with the Claude is pretty simple. When you log into the VS Studio Code, you just want to click over here on the left side. Look for this that is something that is called extensions. Okay, and once you click extensions, just type Claude. You'll probably see that I use a Claude code for VS Code. So just click this, install it, and to connect your Claude with your VS Studio. So it's as simple as that. So if let's say you've been using Claude and you love this video to help you guys to kickstart on the process, on the shortcuts of using Claude, feel free to comment at this video, like this video, and to share this video to even more people and to subscribe to my channel. Also, if let's say you're relying on Facebook to do lead generation for your business, you do not want to miss out all the automation software that I have it here at jilo.net/. all software, and basically we have a lot of full software suites to help you to increase your engagement at the Facebook. And I'll see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye bye.